Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Friday, November 20th, and guess what? I finally started to remember about some birthdays, and it's Lydia's birthday today. So look at this. Happy birthday, Lydia. I hope you have a great day today. Let's go ahead and stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance. Oh, look at that. I'm hidden behind the cupcake. Let me see if I can... Let's make Lydia's birthday cupcake a little smaller for now. Please stand at attention. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. You guys can go ahead and have a seat. We're going to finish up the week, and then we get to have Thanksgiving break, and you get to take the whole week off and spend time with your family and talk about how thankful you are. Well, I want to tell you a little something. I heard such great ideas from yesterday about what I should do with my friends. Let me go back to that picture for a second, and you're not going to believe this. My friends were all doing something bad, and they were having fun, and I took some of your advice, and I didn't want to do that with my friends. And I said, no, I don't think that's a good idea. And you know what happened? My friends said, okay, let's do something else. And they made a good choice too, all because I showed integrity. So I'm super proud that that worked out. But I have a little bit different scenario today because after that, we noticed that somebody else in our class wasn't having fun. So without any reminders from an adult, what do you think my friends and I should do? How would we show integrity? How would we figure out how to show the virtues all by ourselves in this situation? So the situation is my friends, look at them there. They're all happy. They're making great choices. We all decided to make good choices together. But now we notice somebody who's feeling really sad. What should we do about that? Have a great day, Achieve, and have a great Thanksgiving break. Bye.